Come to Literature with Sasha, where we dive deep into the world of literature and explore the stories, movements, and ideas that have shaped our reading lives. Today, we are stepping into the heart of one of the most influential periods in English literature, the Romantic Age. From 1798 to 1824, from the soaring emotions of Wordsworth's poems to the rebellious spirit of Byron's heroes, this era revolutionized how we experience art, nature, and human soul. So grab your favorite cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. The Romantic Age from 1798 to 1824 in English literature is a period that radically changed the landscape of artistic expressions. It is often remembered for its emotional depth, connection to nature, and exploration of human psyche. A reaction against the rationality of the Enlightenment, the Romantic movement emerged with a deep focus on individual experience, the sublime, and an idealized view of the natural world. In this video, we will explore the defining characteristics of Romantic Age, its key themes, major works, and the influential figures who shaped this transformative period. Historical background. The roots of Romanticism can be traced back to the late 18th century, a time of profound political, social, and economic changes. The French Revolution of 1789 had far reaching consequences, spreading ideals of liberty, equality, and association across Europe. The events of the revolution deeply impacted Romantic thinkers, many of whom believed that these ideas could lead to a new era of human freedom and creativity. In Britain, the Industrial Revolution, which began around the same time, transformed society with rapid technological advancement. This period saw the rise of factory work, urbanization, and the mechanization of life. Romantics, however, saw industrialization of society as something that stripped people of their humanity and their connection to nature, in contrast to the Enlightenment's embrace of reason and scientific rationalism. Romanticism promoted emotion, imagination, and a return to a nature. Key features of Romanticism. The Romantic period introduced a new set of values that dramatically differed from those of Enlightenment's. Number 1. Emotion and imagination. One of the hallmarks of Romanticism was a belief in the power of emotion over reason, while Enlightenment emphasized logic and intellectual. Romantic writers celebrated the emotional and irrational aspects of human experience. Imagination, especially, was viewed as a pathway to understand deeper truth about the world. Number 2. Nature and the sublime. Nature held a central role in Romanticism. Writers often depicted nature not just as a backdrop of human activity, but as a living, breathing entity capable of offering spiritual insights. The ideal of the sublime, the feeling of awe and terror experienced in the face of nature's witnessed, was an important aspect of Romantic work. Number 3. Rejection of industrialization. Romantics were critical of industrial society, which they saw as enlightening and dehumanizing. They idealized rural life, the untouched countryside, and the simplicity of pure industrial society. This theme is prevalent in the work of William Wordsworth, who celebrated the natural world and the simple lives of the country folk. Number 4. Individual and subjectivity. Romantic writers emphasize the importance of individual experience and the exploration of one's inner emotions. The concept of the artist as an isolated, often tortured genius emerged during this, prized by figures like Lord Byron. Major themes in Romantic literature. Number 1. Nature. In Romanticism, nature was not just a physical environment but a source of spiritual and emotional inspiration. Writers like William Wordsworth saw nature as a teacher and a healer with the power to connect people to a higher divine reality. Number 2. Childhood and innocence. Romantics also celebrate the purity of childhood, viewing it as a time when individuals were most in touch with the divine. Wordsworth poetry, such as Odd Intimation of Morality, highlights the ideas that children are closer to the eternal truth of the world. Number 4. Rebellion and the heroic individual. Many romantic works portray protagonists who rebel against societal norms or struggle with the personal isolation. This reflects the romantic belief in the individual's right to self-expression and freedom. Influence of French Revolution. The French Revolution had a profound impact on romantic thoughts. The idea of challenging established authority and striving for political freedom resonated deeply with Romantic writers, many of whom saw themselves as revolutionaries in the realm of art and literature. The Romantic poets admired the revolutionary ideals of liberty and equality and often saw their work as a form of rebellion against the old societal structures. Key figures of the Romantic period: William Wordsworth. As one of the leaders of the Romantic movement, Wordsworth focused on the importance of nature and the role of memory in shaping human experience. His lyrical ballad 1798 Samuel Taylor Coleridge marked the beginning of the Romantic era in English literature. Samuel Taylor Coleridge was known for his deep philosophical work and his exploration of the supernatural. His poem, The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, delves into themes of guilt, redemption, and the force of nature, while his biographical literature is a key text for understanding the intellectual foundation of Romanticism. Lord Byron, perhaps the most famous of the Romantic poet, Byron became a symbol of rebellion and individualism. His works, such as Don John, features a hero who rejects the societal norms and embraces a career-seeking lifestyle. P.B. Shelley was a visionary poet who advocated for social and political changes. His work explores the themes of freedom, human potential, and the rejection of oppression. John Keats, known for his sensual poetry and exploration of beauty, Keats' work focused on the themes of love, death, and immorality. His Ode to a Nightingale explored the nature of life and the longing for stability. The role of poetry. Poetry was the dominant form of the literary expression during the Romantic period. Romantic poets believed that poetry had a power to elevate the human spirit, express complex emotions, and reveal universal truths. The Romantic poet was seen as a visionary figure capable of perceiving deeper layers of reality that ordinary people could not. Poetry allowed the exploration of sublime, the mystical, and the emotional depth of human experiences. The rise of Byronic hero. The Byronic hero is a key figure in Romantic literature, exemplified by Lord Byron characters. This type of hero is typically characterized by traits such as troubled past, moral ambiguity, emotional turmoil, and a rejection of societal norms. The Byronic hero embodies Romantic ideals of individualism, freedoms, and defense against conventions. Romanticism rejection of rationalism. While the Enlightenment embraced reason and scientific understanding, the Romantics reject these principles in a favor of emotion, imagination, and emotion. The Romantic believes that true knowledge could not be attained through reason alone and that the irrational and emotional aspects of life held greater truth. Major works of Romantic period. Number 1. Lyrical Ballad 1798 by Wordsworth and Coleridge is one of the most influential works of the Romantic era. The collection emphasized the importance of emotion, nature, and simple language. Number 2. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner 1798 by Coleridge explores themes of guilt, redemption, and the supernatural in a vivid dream-like narrative. Number 3. Don John 1819 to 1824 by Byron is a stylistical and epic poem that portrays the adventures of its hero, a charming but flawed character who defies a societal norm. For Ode to a Nightingale 1819 by Keats dwells into themes of morality, the shortness of life, and the quest for the eternal beauty. The legacy of Romanticism. Romanticism legacy is immense, influencing countless movements in literature, art, and philosophy. Its emphasis on emotion, reality, and nature continues to resonate with modern audience. In the 20th and 21st century, romantic ideals can be seen in movements like modernism and the counterculture, demonstrating the lasting power of this literary era. Conclusion. The Romantic Age in English literature was a period of profound transformation, marked by an exploration of emotion, nature, and the individual spirit. The poets of this era, Wordsworth, Coleridge, Byron, Shelley, and Keats, paved the way for new ways of thinking about humanity, nature, and the role of artists. Their work continued to inspire the captivate readers, showcasing the timeless appeal of romantic ideals. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into Romantic Age. I hope you are now seeing how this fascinating period in English literature still speaks to us today. If you enjoyed exploring the world of Wordsworth, Byron, Shelley, and Keats, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode of Literature with Sasha. Share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear which romantic poet or themes resonate with you the most. Until next time, keep reading and keep exploring the beauty of literature.